Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing a wireless charger. It's a reload wireless charger, engineered to power, it says on the box. Just a wireless charging pad. It's a 5 watts key wireless charger, and the packaging is quite sweet. It comes with a wireless charging pad. You can see here a USB-C cable and a manual in it. So yeah, let's just open it up. And sorry, I'm destroying the package. Okay. So right in the box we have it. Well, this is pretty cool. It has a fabric finish on the top. Yes, and I think it has a plastic back. Feels good to touch and it feels premium. And we have a type C to type C cable here, and we have a manual. Shows us how it's used. So pretty much it for the wireless charging pad. I'm going to connect it and then we see. Okay. Oh, it's a red light here. Let's put a phone on it. Okay, so when you put a phone on it, the light changes blue, red. I don't know why it's doing that. Let me check whether my phone is charging. Okay, my phone is not charging. I don't know why. Okay. So when you put a cable inside, the light is red, and then when you put your phone on it, the light changes to blue, red. If it's not charging, it changes to blue, red. Probably not positioned well. Okay, so if it's positioned well, the light on it changes to blue, which indicates that it's charging. So if it's red, it means that it's plugged in and there's power in it. If the light changes to blue, it means it's charging. And if it's switching between blue and red, it means the phone is not positioned well on it. So it's charging. I'm gonna leave it on for some time to see how fast it charges. But this is a cool thing to have, wireless charging pad. If you come back from work, you can just drop your phone on it and then it charges for you. It's just slightly simple, not really a necessity, but a cool device to have. And this is a cool one to buy from Reload. Very nice fabric and engraved buttons in it. If you can see, it has a charging sign here. It's pretty cool. Thanks so much for watching this quick unboxing. It's an accessory I'll be using so that it makes it easier for me to just charge my phone, to have my phone on all the time. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you up in the next one. Peace.